Hello, hello. Welcome to demo video lesson for day number 7, which is Ask for More. Here we are going to do these following things. First is you find a recent AI reply or output that needs to be improved. Second is you reframe and push. And I will show you in a while how to use a template to do that. And lastly, you compare the results. So the things you need to do are firstly, you open this particular link. Secondly, which is very important, you make a copy of this document and then you go to ask more sheet and you fill in the blanks in the red box. I'll show you how. Once you open this sheet and when you have made a copy of this, you should see two different things. First is you see this red box which is red outline, and second you see this red text. Now what you have to do, first step you fill in the blanks. So you fill in the blanks, which is column number D. In column number E, we have already filled an example for you for your reference. Now there's another optional thing you can do. You go to sheet called innovation actions in the same document, which is right next to the present sheet. And here we have listed different methods with their objectives and prompts that you can use to generate the ideas for you. So in this particular template, in the investigate row, you can use any of the ideas from that sheet or you can use your own idea, your own method. Now, once you have filled everything in this column number D, you copy you copy your entire input, which is column number B, C and D, which is the thing in red box. And you go to ChatGPT, you paste it and you get the results. So voila, you have done it. You had a generic reply at first, and then you pushed AI, you gave it a specific prompt, you pushed, you asked for more, and hopefully you have something creative.